Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. So today is Monday, November 22nd. It's actually my cousin's birthday. Hi Callie, if you're watching this. Happy birthday. It is her 23rd birthday. But today's video is going to be me packing up my clothes to go to my aunt's house tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Tuesday, November 23rd. And as I said, it is my cousin's birthday, but I don't know who tomorrow's birthday is. But happy birthday if you have a birthday and you're watching this. But yes, in today's video, I'll be talking about what I did today, what I'm going to be doing over Thanksgiving break, and giving y'all a rundown on how my day's been and what I've done today, and just my packing list. So let's get on with the first thing, which is going to be me writing out my whole to-do list. Okay, so it took me maybe like 5 or 10 minutes to make the list, and I did edit some stuff. So this is the list. I have it color coded by green and dark green, and then the bathroom is light blue. I've got yellow and orange, and then dark pink and light pink. I tried to make it colors that I'd be able to see. So I'm gonna start with the clothes just because I'm in my room and I thought that'd be easier. I use my Tombow Fudenosuke markers, and I'm just gonna put my phone right over here, like I've done before. It is kind of an awkward angle, but I was showing y'all what I'm doing when I'm doing it. And so I'm going to start with pajamas just because the pajamas I'm going to be wearing tonight are probably the same pajamas I'm going to be taking with me. So I'm just going to lay my pajamas out on my bed. So let's get started. So let me give y'all an update of what I have figured out so far. I have my pajamas ready. I have 2 pajamas. I found this, I think, 6 outfits. 4 shirts. Okay, actually I have 5 shirts because I plan my outfit for tomorrow. Leggings. Let me see. I'm gonna take all these clothes. I'm gonna pick you up now. I'm gonna put my phone down here while I fold up. This is a shirt my aunt got me, so thank you, Juju. It says, "Be still and know." Yeah, most of my family, they are Christians, but it just depends on, you could wear this shirt even if you're not a Christian. It's cute. So this is really like a hoodie, but I'm gonna wear it as a shirt because it's not very thick, so I'm gonna be wearing this tomorrow, maybe. And then this is gonna be, I think, for Black Friday maybe, or like day 2, Simply Southern, and some pants. So I got 1 pair of pants so far. And Simply Southern is like one of my favorites. I think I'm taking like 2 Simply Southern shirts, and 2 of my shirts both say blessed, so that's kind of funny. Okay. Then I got some new leggings from not TJ Maxx, Kohl's. And this one also says blessed, or blessed girl. Joy of the Lord is my strength, blessed girl. So I got this one from my aunt too. She picked me and my mom out 2 shirts to wear. My mom got a hoodie and I got a shirt, and then we both got another hoodie and shirt. So I'm bringing these just to show her that I like the shirts, and I really do like them. It's just that I want to wear them in front of her. This is going to be probably Thanksgiving Day, and my cousin Taylor is going to be making, we call her Tay Tay, who I'm going to be bringing her daughter the earrings, is going to be making me a shirt with her cricket. And so this is kind of like it. This is from Buc-ee's in, I don't remember what town. Calhoun is where my grandma lives. So. What? Filming a video.
Is it going to have sound on it?
I'll pause it. Okay, sorry guys, my mom came in here for a sec, and now my door's open, but... this is a shirt, as I showed before, blessed, and I got it from Buc-ee's. It's from the brand Girly Girl. So if you watch the show Outdaughtered on TLC, this kind of looks, I think, like a shirt that she would wear. Just because I don't know her, but, you know, I watched the show, so she has a shirt brand, my mom. So I got 3 leggings, 3 shirts over here, and then pants, 2 pants, so that's good. And then my last shirt, I'm now getting into all my fall stuff, so I picked out another Simply Southern, which is the Smoky Mountains. I want to go back. I think I'm definitely more of a girl from Georgia, but this is this shirt. Okay. So I just figured out all my outfits, and now I gotta go get all my bras and stuff, but I'm not gonna show that because, you know, that's kind of private. So I'm gonna be back when I'm done with my bras and stuff. Okay guys, so I have everything packed up, and now all I have to do is get out my big packing, what is it called, suitcase or bag. I just take it whenever I go, just because when I go to my aunt's house, you know, it's not really that long of a stay, but to me, I, you know, like to have everything ready in case, you know. I have 3 of these inflatable bags. That's not okay. So I'm gonna start putting things in my bag. I think I got this bag in like maybe 2017 or 2018, I think. When I went to my aunt's house, which my mom's sister lived in Georgia, my dad's sister lived in Texas, so she gave me these inflatable bags to put all my stuff, you know, under my bed or just in spaces that need more support. Sorry guys, I've said sorry a lot, but I finally got my bag. I have everything ready except when I get up in the morning, I have to take my medicine and, you know, do the Miralax and do all of the stuff. I have to get my toothbrush and toothpaste and everything, but I'm gonna start with my outfit and just do everything from when I would wear it, because then that would help me. So I'm gonna wear this when I first, like, I don't know when we're gonna get home, but this can go right here. Sorry. There we go, over there. This shirt I got from my gram. She gave me a couple of shirts, which are pretty cute, because I don't know where they're from. This one is real cute. Pajamas. I can wear these tonight. Okay. I am broke for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm just gonna be putting my clothes in my bag, and I'll come back and talk to y'all. Like a little while later, I think maybe like 20 or 25 minutes. I'm not really sure. The time will be on the screen maybe. But the things, I have checked off all of the clothing list. I got my purse and the earrings put in my bag. I have my retainer I have to put in tonight, so I'm gonna put that in my bag in the morning. My deodorant, floss, threaders, toothpaste, and toothbrush are all in a little Vera Bradley bag. And my Turbo Twisty is hanging. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm sorry, I was texting someone, but I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair at her house though. I'm gonna get my hair cut in the morning, so I'm gonna have my hair washed tomorrow. I put some pads in that same bag with all the stuff, and my phone is in my hands, so I'm not gonna forget that. I have my AirPods in the living room. I have my computer right here, and I have my Apple Watch over there charging. It's at 91, but I'm just gonna like leave it off for the night and charge it overnight. But I have my list, and this week is going to be so much fun. Sadly, I thought I was going to meet up with my grandma and my aunt and cousins and my mom tomorrow for decorating Christmas trees and everything, but my grandma's not feeling good. My aunt has to work, and so we're just going to meet up for lunch, like a late lunch around maybe like 1 or 2. And then I'm going to go to her house after my mom dropped me off. But yes. And final reveal of my nails. These are my nails I got done today, little sparkles. And so like Christmas, but I have never got these done, and they're still holding up really good. I've tried so many different nail techniques, but I just thought, okay, I'm gonna pay, it was like $55, but literally that's gonna be so cheap, thinking about when I get an actual job. So yes, I hope you guys liked this video of me cleaning up my room, and actually kept it really clean, because sometimes when I pack for things, my clothes go everywhere, and my hair is not working with me. But yes, I am just texting my old math teacher from high school. I still keep in contact because I feel like we're so much alike. So, hi, Miss Cherico, if you're watching. So yes, I'll see you guys next time, and I'll keep you updated on everything I buy and everything that I do this week. So yeah, bye.